Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to open a PDF file in Microsoft Word so you can easily edit or reuse the content without extra tools. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word on your computer, then click on Open from the left menu and choose Browse to find the PDF file stored on your device, because this option lets you access files from any folder. Step 2. When the file browser window appears, change the file type filter to All Files or PDF Files so your document becomes visible. Select the PDF file you want, then click Open. Step 3. A pop-up message will appear informing you that Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK to continue. Step 4. Wait a few moments while the PDF opens in Word as a fully editable document. Then you can edit text, adjust formatting, or add new content, and save the file as needed in Word format, or export it again as a PDF. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.